Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to talk about conversations inside of LeadStack, how to use the feature, what's really happening inside the Conversations tab, and how to understand it better so that you can go win more sales in your business. So when you click on the Conversations on this tab right here below, or below this logo, you will see a conversations flow of all your conversations between you and your team. When you click on Conversations tab right here, it'll take you back where you can see this left sidebar, and you organize the conversations happening that are inbound and outbound for your business. So if you log in and click unread, you'll see all the unread messages that are you and your team have to look at. It's a place where you can jump in and see what leads are excited and responding well, and what leads may be responding poorly to your outbound prospecting. And also, this is where your chat bot flow goes to as well too. So if anybody calls you, texts you, emails you, it all appears here, okay? And also, you can filter out with some simple filters, like what's recent conversations flow happening back and forth, what is starred, so what's important to you. So if you star a conversation, you can kind of keep it at the top of your inbox, or just a simple filter right here where you're clicking the start option. Also, you can just click all. So I want to see outbound, I want to see inbound, I want to see read, I want to see unread, I want to see it all. And of course, there's a search function, so I can search for specific people's names or contact information and quickly find them in the conversations area. If I click on the filters, this is kind of nice. I can quickly kind of organize by some certain parameters. So stuff that you would expect, right? Stuff that, is it my chat? So who's the assigned contact owner? So if your team, or you want to see like who's Robert talking to, right? I can apply that filter and I can see all the conversations between Robert and his prospective leads that he's talking to, okay? So as a manager, this is good for me. Also, if I want to go further, I can say, last message direction. So I can look at assigned to Robert, what's inbound, and then what has Robert basically not responded to, right? So that will be like what I see here, so etc. But it's all just based on a quick, easy filtering, right? And of course, I can filter it out to my leads, or also based on the message type as well. So since LeadStack can integrate with your email system, with your whole team, with SMS for text messages between you and your team, your GMB page, now WhatsApp and Facebook and calls and voicemail and Instagram, all these locations of messaging, these channels of messaging, we can filter by. So it's really important because if I want to know, hey, what's all the latest texts we're getting back, inbound, etc., or what's unassigned, I can kind of use that filter, and quickly figure out who we need to talk to and why. So that's conversations, unread, recent, start, all, and some filters. And of course, I can clear these and open back up everything. So there's also a conversations history. So if you look up here at the top in the middle, I can see what people are saying back and forth to each other and what's happening in the conversations flow. So if someone asks a question, I can kind of hover over. I see right here, this is actually a chat widget or a website question on our chatbot. If someone asks a question, I can see like how we respond to them, what our automations are firing, and who's assigned to the lead. So in this case, I just I can go down here and I can type a response to this person. I can also click on SMS and send them over a text message, which we're all right here on desktop, which is really, really nice. I can attach files. I can add funny emoticons. I can insert templates and snippets as well. If you look over here to the right, it gives me some more information, talking about who this lead is, what their name is, what's their contact information, what's their email, because we collect that at the chat window. We also see like what are some active workflows or campaigns they're added to, and then where are they on the opportunities pipeline. We'll go into the opportunities pipeline in a separate video, but what's nice about this is it just kind of shows you the basic lead information. And this is where you can kind of chat back and forth, have conversations, talk to this person. And then we can also do this as well into our contacts, or kind of our CRM system in the contacts section. This is kind of what it looks like to quickly navigate your conversations area. Also, in the next tab over, we have something called manual actions. Now, we'll go further into more advanced training about manual actions in the future, but essentially a manual action is something that you can basically build a list of manual actions you want to take that require you to click yes, let's start to start those manual actions. What's nice about this is you can make lists, or you can make a list of power dialer manual actions, etc. And you can have your team be added there as well, and you can build this big list of manual actions that you want you and your team to do. We'll go into this further later on, but just so you know where it's located, it's right here next to your Conversations tab. To the right is your template. So as you make templates, if you find yourself responding with the same things over and over again, just create a template, right? Title that template, and you can have that body text here as well. We'll simply just click Add Template. You can make a text template, or you can make an email template, and it will show you. Here is the text preview. So if you look to the right, it will show you what the preview looks like when you text somebody inside the system. So that's really simple, but also powerful to help you if you want to move fast, and it helps you kind of quality control what you and your team are sending out. Okay. So that is template snippets, and then of course you have trigger links. Trigger links are basically a link that, if I want to use it later in a workflow, I want to track who all clicked or who all opened this email, etc., who clicked this specific Tor link, etc. Then I can track that and then have my workflows respond automatically according to the customer's behavior. Okay, so that's how you use conversations. In the further videos, we're going to go over the rest of these features. Just wanted to show you how conversations looks, how it works, and how to navigate it. If you ever have a question, come back and reference this video quickly, or of course, hit our support. We're here to help you.